Hello everyone. If you are looking for good bedtime story that will incorporate moral values, cultural values in your child and engage them in positive way, so you're watching the right video. And this is unbiased and unsponsored review of a mommy of a 4-year-old child. So go for it, guys.
I like the colorful pictures and lions background story. I love it. And the
Book is very good.
yes,
Mama tells you.
story in the night.
Very good.
I like these books.
Acha, tell me the name. Which one? Which one is your favorite?
Hanuman.
Hanuman. This is your favorite one. And show me other books too, one by one.
Hanuman.
And this one?
Ganesha.
No, look at the picture.
Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Krishna.
And another book?
Ganesha.
Lord Ganesha.
Lord Ganesha.
This?
Mahabharat.
And who is he?
Mahabharat.
Lord Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu.
And this? Lord Ram. Where is Lord Ram?
This.
Goddess Sita. And Lord Lakshman. This is Ramayana. I purchased these books from First Cry, and it's your choice from where you want to purchase it. Thank you for watching.